Hello, Andrew Anderson with 21to21.com, and I'm a profit consultant. And if you're new here, welcome. And if you've been a regular visitor, then let's get started. Either way, this is WordPress Profits video number 1, an introduction to WordPress. And this is for those of you who may be familiar with WordPress or don't know a darn thing about it, but would like to know more. So, in this video, I give you the reason why WordPress is the only web software application that I recommend to any business that is serious about making a profit from their websites and blogs. Why WordPress? Well, it's being used in over 300 million websites and blogs, for one thing. These organizations include the Wall Street Journal, New York Times, eBay, Nikon, National Geographic Magazine, U.S. Air Force, and tens of thousands of other organizations use it. Here's some screenshots, some little ones. This is Nikon, National Geographic, Wall Street Journal, U.S. Air Force, Profit Platform Pro, and 21to21.com, which is possibly where you came from. And I'm going to show you larger versions of these sites. Here we go. This is the U.S. Air Force. Looks like their blog here. This is the Republican Governors Association, or something like that, RGA. Yep. They have a slider in here. I want to just show you some of the features. And it's kind of amazing. They've got an embedded video here, if you're not familiar with it. But this is all done on WordPress, the same application. And you can log in here. This is the National Geographic site. Looks good, but of course you'd expect that. They've got lots of videos and lots of graphics. Here's some more embedded videos. These are widgets over here, more than likely, that do all of this stuff, and I'll explain more about that later. They've even got a shopping cart. Here's the Nikon website, your day in 140 seconds or less. And these are all videos, and if you click on them, they will play. It's not a bad site to go check out. It's nikonfestival.com. And then we have the Wall Street Journal, which looks like the Wall Street Journal, funny enough, black and white with some color here. And this has a multi-column one. There's 3 columns here. And here again, just another look that you can use in WordPress. And then let's click here. Now, I've got to resize this here to get this to work right, because I hosed this before. Let's see here. My website is running really slow today. I think it's because of some things that are going on around the world. But what this is a pop-up video opt-in page. As you can see, here's your opt-in page, and the video will show up here eventually. And that's Craig Tyke, who happens to be one of my partners. And this is Profit Platform Pro. This is kind of state-of-the-art in WordPress. And in what WordPress or Profit Platform Pro does for WordPress is it allows you to design your WordPress site to look like any of those that I just showed you. It's an amazing piece of software. It's one of the best ones I've ever worked with, and definitely one of the best ones I've ever been involved with on a more personal basis. And what it does is you can use it to make your WordPress site look like any of those before, not only that I've shown you, but not only look like it, but act like them too, and have the same functionality. And this, of course, is 21to21.com. This is my site. I have embedded videos. This is the main front page. And if you get a chance, take a look at 12 website rules to make you money. But I just wanted to show you some of the looks and feels of what you can do with WordPress. So let's keep on going here. What is WordPress exactly? Well, it's an open source publishing application powered by programming languages of PHP and MySQL. And open source means that anyone can share the code and program for free. That's right, this is a free program. It is the basis for content management for all the blogs and websites that I just showed you. Why open source rocks? Well, what happens is on any given day there's thousands of people, if not millions of people, working using WordPress, and there's probably thousands or tens of thousands working on improving it and finding bugs. And what happens with open source software, because anyone can look at the source code for it and improve it, you can get involved with WordPress.org and get involved in helping making it better, or you can make your own plugin or a widget, which I'm going to talk about later, or a theme. And what happens is the improvement of this goes at such a rapid pace. In fact, WordPress was only invented in 2003, so it's only 6 years years old, and it's already in 300 million websites, if you can believe it or not. So it's pretty powerful stuff. How it works. Now, what it does is it gives you a single place to control all of your content or blog and website and content pages in one central location. This can include sales pages and squeeze pages. I just showed you that one video squeeze page in case you don't know what it is. You can control text, graphics, video, and audio in one location called the control panel or dashboard. And about squeeze pages, I want to show you one. Here's one from Profit Platform Pro that you can put together. And it allows you to customize this. And a squeeze page is simply any page that squeezes you into either giving your email or buying something, and basically it's just a sales page or a way to increase your mailing list, which is something we'll talk about at a later date. But all this is done in WordPress, and Profit Platform Pro allows you to put a squeeze page up in literally probably 15 minutes. And up until now, that's not been able to have been done before, which is why I'm a big fan of Profit Platform Pro. Not only am I a user, but I'm one of the partners. So anyway, let's go on here. We're going to show you what the dashboard looks like in WordPress, in case you've never seen it before. If you have, you're familiar with this. We have posts. You can see pages, appearances, plugins, and quite a bit of other things. And your whole website, including your blog and everything else, are controlled from this one dashboard. It's kind of amazing, actually, when you think about it. Let's see here. With add-ons called widgets, plugins, and themes, you can control what everything looks like with literally billions of possible combinations, allowing for stunning-looking websites and blogs, as you just saw. They will also allow you to add things like search engine optimizations, automated emails, advertising, and more. Plus, one of the big things is that once you get things set up, and of course you follow my easy-to-use videos, I can show you how to make your site look and function like you paid $50,000 or more for it. Plus, you can control it and update it by yourself if you want to with no technical skills. All you have to be able to do is check your emails. Now, let's imagine here. What if, imagine having a great looking blog or site that you make money from that you built and control yourself. So at least this way you will know what it takes to run your website and blog, and if you want to get help later on, you can, but you won't get ripped off by a web developer or a programmer. Now, I'm not saying you have to do this by yourself, but if you understand the basics of what's going on and what can be done with WordPress, you're less likely to get ripped off, and you will pay a lot less money to do this. WordPress takes the place of programs out there that I know cost $5,000, $15,000, $100,000, even $200,000, and this is free. Now, you may have to spend some time and a little bit of effort in development, but you can do it in WordPress, which is why all these big companies are flocking to it instead of paying for other programs that don't work half as well. And another great thing about using WordPress as your main web application, you can run huge sites with hundreds or even thousands of pages on it, and it will never go out of date. Period. So you can just keep on getting updates and it runs. You don't have to pay for the updates for WordPress. You can even run multiple sites and blogs from it well with some advanced features. You can run 1,000 or 2,000 sites from it if you want to go that route. Anyway, I hope that I've given you a good overview of why I no longer do HTML websites or use any other proprietary software applications for my own websites and blogs, or for any of my clients as well, for that matter. They just don't stand up in comparison to what you can do with WordPress. And once you know what you're doing, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do all of this. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them and look for the next installment of WordPress Profits video series soon. This is Andrew Anderson, and I'm a profit consultant with 21to21.com. I hope you enjoyed this and learned something about WordPress. And in the other series, I'm going to show you how to install it, how to make web pages, how to make squeeze pages. And I suggest that if you are serious about WordPress, whether you're just getting started or you already have a website and you want to make a lot more money and make a more profitable blog or a website, go check out Profit Platform Pro. That's profitplatformpro.com. It's an amazing piece of software and an add-on for WordPress that can literally take you to the next level and do things that used to take 2 or 3 weeks. For instance, I know a lot of guys for a squeeze page, they may take a week or two to program that. You can do it in 15 minutes with Profit Platform Pro and WordPress. So this is Andrew Anderson signing off, and we will talk to you soon. Take care and hope you have a profitable day. Bye-bye.